Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg grow. This fascinating experiment showcases the principle of osmosis, where water molecules pass through a semi-permeable membrane. To begin, gather your materials: 1 raw egg, white vinegar, a clear glass, and later, either corn syrup or plain water. Carefully place your egg into the glass, ensuring it is fully submerged in the initial liquid. The first crucial step involves dissolving the eggshell. Gently place your raw egg into a clear glass and completely cover it with white vinegar. Allow the egg to soak for approximately 48 hours. The acetic acid in the vinegar chemically reacts with the calcium carbonate of the eggshell, causing it to dissolve. You will notice tiny bubbles forming around the egg, indicating this chemical reaction is actively taking place. Once the shell has completely dissolved, carefully remove the rubbery, shell-less egg from the vinegar. Gently rinse it under cool, running water to wash away any lingering shell fragments or residue. Now, to make the egg grow, transfer it to a fresh, clean glass filled with plain water. Allow the egg to soak in the water for another 48 hours, observing its transformation. After its 2-day soak in plain water, you will observe a remarkable change. The egg will have significantly increased in size, becoming noticeably larger and bouncier. This growth is a direct result of osmosis, where water molecules from the glass move into the egg's semi-permeable membrane. For an extra experiment, try placing the enlarged egg into corn syrup to observe it shrink, demonstrating reverse osmosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.